So we'll start. And today we'll be doing, we did how many intro sets last time? 20?
Yes, ma'am.
20. So we'll start from perfume. Okay. And I'll give everybody a chance to speak. Okay. And so first, who will answer? Ailish, your turn.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Do you use perfume?
Yes, I use a perfume because it works as a stress buster for me, and also when I use a perfume, that time I feel calm.
Okay. When I asked you, do you use perfume? Why did you say I use a perfume?
Actually, मुझे लगा कि आपने a use किया था इसीलिए.
Okay. So be attentive when the examiner says. If the examiner is not using any article, you don't need to use the article. Article, a and the. Okay. Don't force in
Yes,
words
yes,
like
ma'am.
that.
Okay.
Don't use them. Next question. What kind of perfumes do you like?
Generally, ma'am, I like light fragrance type of perfumes because it not
चेतन
of
तो यूट्यूब तो ये पाए देनी है
One minute. Ailish, you will unmute yourself and speak. I've muted all. Okay. Yes.
Generally, I use light fragrance rather than strong fragrance because it not only affect other people's but also I feel happy when I use a light fragrance.
Okay. Can anybody point out what mistake he did? Anybody? Are you
पीपल्स
listening attentively? He used the word peoples. Is peoples correct?
नो मैम
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
people.
Yes, people. Okay.
Okay.
Elish, don't use peoples. Okay.
Okay, okay.
What does perfume mean to you?
As I earlier mentioned that perfume means me a lot because sometimes I feel happy when I use a perfume and other people not face problem when they come with me.
Okay. Uh, can you say repeat again? What does perfume mean to you?
Okay. Well, perfume means me a lot because it works as a stress buster for me, and I use it in order to show my personality towards other people.
To others. Okay. And it means me. Something you said. It means me a lot. You said this.
Yes,
It means a
yes, yes.
lot to me. Okay.
Okay.
It means a lot to me. Okay. That is correct. Do you give perfumes as a gift?
No, I never give gift as a perfume for any person
Gift as a
because
perfume,
some
nahi perfume as a gift.
The gift.
Ah,
perfume as a gift because sometimes other people don't like my choice regarding perfume.
okay. Okay. Next student, Nirali, your market questions. What
Yes.
do street markets sell?
Street markets sell local products such as local clothings and some cultural design cloth, and also local market reflects the cultures and tradition of the particular town. And in the local market, we also found the vendors of the local foods
Okay.
and
Okay. Anybody got any grammatical error? In the local markets, we found. What should it be instead of found?
find.
Fine.
Find. ठीक है?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are there many street markets in your country?
Yes, because my country is basically made with a lot of with a combination of village and town. So so my country has a lots of street markets, and we have a diversity in our culture and tradition according to the state. So every state reflects their culture and tradition into the local market. So
Okay.
we have different types of markets,
Street markets. Okay.
street markets.
It's a combination of village and cities. इसको क्या correct करो? Combination of villages and cities. Okay. When you're
Villages
saying,
and cities.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
What are the differences between street markets and supermarkets?
There are huge differences between supermarket and local market. Supermarket is supermarket reflects the global trends. We can find local as well as international and the interstate products over there, and it is a we can find everything, like individual can find everything at a one place, like groceries, clothes and household things, and also furniture and all. We can all everything is found in a one find in a one place. In a local markets, and also supermarkets are very huge, and in a proper arrangements in there, whereas in the local markets, it's very clumsy and the shops are very small, and there is a lots of density in the local markets, and also one can find only local products over the local markets, and
So,
the quality.
do you often go to the supermarkets?
Yes. Like in my my city is a metro city, so there are lots of supermarket over there instead of local market. So, I used to go. I go to the supermarket to buy groceries and the household things. Also,
Okay,
sometimes I
okay, okay. आपने ना हर जगह supermarket और street market बोला है. When you generalize, what you should say instead of supermarket and street market?
mall.
नहीं, supermarkets, street markets. Always use the S's. You were not
Okay.
using. Okay. When you use
Okay.
the S's, it looks more natural because you are generalizing. So you always say in the plural. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Supermarkets have these, street markets on the other hand have these. Range and even the price is different in the street markets and supermarkets.
Yes.
Price. So street
Yeah.
markets are cheaper.
Price.
Yes.
Supermarkets are cheaper because it has a lots of even they sell in a wholesale, so it is a big difference in the price range.
Okay. You
And
want to say that supermarkets are cheaper than street
mm,
markets?
No, ma'am.
no,
Street markets are
street
cheaper, and
markets
we
are
can
cheaper.
also
Street
bargain
markets
in
are
street
cheaper.
markets.
Cheaper, yeah,
Yes,
and we
yes,
can also do bargaining over there.
yes.
Yes.
Bargaining is one point you should say because you cannot do it in the supermarkets. Mostly they are fixed price.
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
next student. Uh, let's see. Apurv, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay. So, do you prefer to use pen or pencil?
Well, I generally use the pencil rather than a pen because in this way I can reduce my mistake and also correct some my writings.
Can you repeat what you said?
Generally prefer pencil rather than pen because
Uh,
in this way I can reduce my mistakes and improve
uh,
my writing skill.
okay, you can erase and you can okay, improve your mistakes. Okay. When was the last time you bought a pen or pencil?
The last time I bought a pencil, it was Sunday, and that time it was a great experience for me because I bought a pencil as a first time.
Okay, so you know this. Do you remember that this is a question of the formats? When was the last time you bought a pen or pencil? When was the last time? This is in the formats also. Have you all gone through the formats? I
The
put
last
them.
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
Ah,
yes,
Yes,
the
the
ma'am.
last
last time.
time was
The last time I bought a pen or pencil, and you said it was. That it was an extra word, and it was a grammatical error. It नहीं
yeah,
आना चाहिए था.
yes.
Okay, the last time I bought a
Okay,
pen or
okay, ma'am.
pencil was. Okay, so there is the importance of the
Okay.
formats. You will never go wrong if you practice them. See here, it is one question of the formats. These keep cropping up, and you
Okay,
know.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, like that. How would you react
Okay.
if someone sent you a pen as a gift? How would you
I
react?
would be happy if someone give.
Okay.
I would be happy if someone gave me or pen as a gifts, because that person want to improve, reduce my mistake and also improve my writing skill.
No, how by gifting a pen he will reduce your mistakes?
It's a thoughtful gift, or
You can just say that the
Give
person
the
knows that
most-
the person knows that a pen will be used by me. He knows that, so I'll be very happy if someone gave me a pen as a gift, because a pen is a nice gift. It will not just lie on one shelf. It will be used. Everybody knows that. So it's good to gift a pen. Okay, like that you
Okay,
can
okay,
say.
ma'am.
है ना?
Okay, okay,
How
ma'am.
will the person reduce your mistakes by
It
gifting
is
a
an
pen?
important
You
invention.
may just keep it in your pocket and never use it. How will your mistakes go, right? So just by gifting is
Okay, ma'am.
it is just that, any gift. I would be happy if anybody gave me any gift, because gift is a gift. It's a token of love. Okay, ये
yes.
भी बोल सकते हो आप. It's a gesture of love.
Okay, okay.
And a pen is a very nice gift, because it is, everybody knows that everyone needs a pen from time to time to note down things. Okay, so I would be very happy if someone gave me a pen as a gift. Okay. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Himmatveer, your turn. Have you ever been to museum to learn history? Have you ever been to a museum to learn history?
Yes, I visited a museum last year. The name of the museum is Shahid Bhagat Singh Museum. It is situated in Khatkakala, which is but around a 5 to 6 kilometer away from my hometown.
Hmm, okay. 5 to 6 kilometer away from my hometown. Away extra word hai. Away nahi aana. Okay.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
5 to 6 kilometer from my hometown. I live very close to this museum, and in fact, I've been. You can say, in fact, I've been there many times. Whenever we have guests, then they want to see this museum, I take them with me, and it's cute because it's very near my house. It's only 5 or 6 kilometers from my house. Away nahi
Okay, ma'am.
bolte. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Away is not needed here. It's an extra word. And what did you learn about history from the museum?
I learned so many things from that museum that about the Shahid Bhagat Singh. He is one of the best freedom fighter of India, and
वन ऑफ
all.
द वन ऑफ द के बाद जो भी वर्ड आता है वो क्या आता है? सिंगुलर के प्लूरल?
Plural.
प्लूरल. मैंने बहुत बच्चों की कॉपियों में ये बात बोली है जब मैंने करेक्शन करी है. वन ऑफ द जब भी आता है, ही इज वन ऑफ द फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर्स.
Fighters.
एस आएगा. ओके हिम्मत.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. एंड बड़ा अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटे आप. अगर ये छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स पे गौर करोगे एंड यू विल नोट देम डाउन, यू विल डेफिनेटली गो अबव अ 7 इन योर स्पीकिंग. मार्क माय वर्ड्स, टुडे व्हेन योर रिजल्ट कम्स, देन यू विल सी. ओके,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should now. Okay, बड़ा अच्छा. You spoke very well. And you शहीद भगत सिंह आप बार बार बोल रहे हो. आप मुझे बताओ, शहीद की जगह कोई और वर्ड है जो बोल सकते हो?
Mm, Patriot.
नहीं. मार्टर.
Martyr.
MARTYR.
Yeah,
हम कहते हैं
martyr.
ना मार्टरडम डे ऑफ भगत सिंह.
Yes.
हाँ, तो मार्टर.
Yeah.
It the pronunciation
Martyr.
is martyr, not martyr. It's MARTYR. Martyr. The
Martyr.
great
Martyr.
martyr Bhagat Singh. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
You can say martyr.
Martyr.
हाँ, we celebrate his martyrdom day. कब करते हैं? Do you remember the date? It's somewhere in
अभी
March.
गया ना?
मार्च में
Right,
होती है मेरे
March.
ख्याल.
नो मैम, शायद अभी गया है मैम, थोड़ा टाइम.
अभी गया शायद, मैंने
अच्छा.
देखा था.
ओके ओके, ठीक है.
I
Okay,
think-
next question. Do you think history is important?
Yes, I believe history is very much important, because if a person know about the past time, that what are the things their ancestor do in that time, and what are the
What are the
problems.
things if a person know? Correct karo. If a person know, correct that.
Nose.
If a person, singular, a person. If a person
Nose.
know आएगा के knows आएगा? हिम्मत.
Nose.
Knows.
Knows आएगा. अच्छा.
Yes,
If a
ma'am.
person knows. ये एसएस वाली गलतियां हैं. ये अब आपकी ठीक हो गई तो सीधा ही 7 प्लस है. और ज्यादा गलतियां है ही नहीं आपकी. बड़ा अच्छा बोल रहे हो. ठीक है? If a
Yes, ma'am.
person knows. आगे क्या बोला था? There was one mistake. आगे बोलो.
knows about the things that their ancestors do in that time and
And
how
then that their ancestors do in that time. That their
ancestors
did at that time. Do आएगा के did आएगा?
did. Yes.
Did आएगा ना? Past की बात कर रहे हो.
हाँ
ठीक
जी.
है? जो उन्होंने
Yes.
did, what they did at that time. When was the last time you read a book about history?
Well, a month ago I read a book about history. It is related to Martyrs Bhagat Singh.
Martyr. It is related to a great martyr, Bhagat Singh. Okay. Where did you get that book from?
I brought that book from a student book depot which is situated in Banga.
Okay. From a student book depot, from a bookshop. Okay, you can say. Okay. Next question. Next set of questions. Preet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like deserts?
Yes, I love to eat desserts. Especially, I like to eat ice cream, cake, and some Indian dessert like gulab jamun.
Okay. Do you like eating cakes?
Yes, I like eating cake. I love to eat a cake, especially which made with hot chocolate,
Which is made of?
made of chocolate.
Okay. What desserts do Indian people like?
I think Indian people usually like Indian dessert like gulab jamun, rice pudding, and some sweet dishes which is made with milk.
Sweet dishes which are made of milk. Okay, with milk भी ठीक है. Of milk or sweet dishes. Okay. Have you ever baked a cake?
I remember that I mostly made a cake on my mother birthday because
On my
we
mother birthday
like
के mother का birthday.
Mothers.
हाँ.
Mother's
अग-
birthday, ma'am.
Mother's birthday.
Mothers.
Apostrophe S
birthday,
आएगी. Navreen,
mother's birthday.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Preet है ना?
Yes,
Mother's birthday. Okay.
mother's birthday.
Okay. So I usually bake a cake on my mother's birthday. You can also go on to add that I always look for a recipe on the YouTube and try a new type of cake every year. And first I get all the ingredients from the market and then I bake the cake. And mostly it turns out very good. आजकल तो पता है सारी recipes अगर आप point to point follow करो,
Yeah.
the dishes
बनती है अच्छी.
good. ठीक है? You have these YouTube channels. You don't need to go and learn things, especially take classes and learn, right? Okay, next set of
Yeah.
questions. Reena, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How often do you go for a run?
I go for a run very often. I go for a run with my husband every evening. I never miss this opportunity. Apart from this, I also go with my daughter for morning walk every Sunday.
Where do you usually go running?
I usually go for running in my farms. We have we have many fields, so I usually go there for running.
Okay. Do you like running?
Yes, I like running. This is a good exercise, especially for heart. And whenever I go with my daughter, we run on a fast pace, and really I feel very good at that time because
Okay.
after whenever we get tired, we laugh a lot.
Okay. Do you think running is a good way to stay healthy?
Yes, it is a good way to stay healthy. And since then, I'm doing this activity. I feel really lighter than earlier.
Okay, since the time I am doing this
Yes,
activity, okay, I
yes.
started running about आप बोल सकते हो 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Mm.
Okay, first I could not run 5 minutes at a stretch, but now I can run half an hour at a stretch. So I've built up my stamina also. You can say things like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can say
Yes, ma'am.
things like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, do you think running is a good way to stay healthy? हो गया question?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Mathematics next set.
Yeah.
Uh, Next set is mathematics. Who is going to answer it? Chayank, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When did you start learning math?
As far as I remember, maths has been with me as a part of my daily routine as well as a studied subject since my childhood
Okay.
when I
Do you
started my
like
primary education.
do you like math?
I'm not very fond of maths, but yes, it is surely a necessary tool for day to day as well as professional life.
Very good. Who taught you math?
Uh, I surely remember taking a lot of thrashings from my teachers. So they are responsible for instilling the education of maths and the concept of maths to me.
Who is your favorite teacher so far?
My favorite teacher so far is from my primary school. That is my English teacher. Her name is Salma ma'am, and
Um,
she.
okay, okay, okay. मैथ्स
Maths.
की बात हो रही थी तो मैथ्स टीचर में
Maths
से
teacher.
बात ओके इज मैथ्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू लर्न
Uh, it's surely not difficult for me to learn, but when it comes to remembering a lot of formulas and like where they do not have day-to-day applications, I find it a little bit less interesting.
ओके डू यू लाइक टू यूज अ कैलकुलेटर
Yes, being a science student, we have the practice of using calculators for for solving complex equations and problems. So, not for the common algorithms, I do not use calculators, but for the complex ones, yes, I surely do.
ओके वेरी गुड Chang. If you just speak that simply, you are speaking very good English. There are hardly any grammatical errors. I would say it's an 8 plus. If you just speak simply, naturally with your teacher, with your examiner like that, no way he can deduct any band score. Okay, just be
Yes.
natural. Don't even think of forcing in any word. What you are speaking was pretty good. Okay, very
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
next set. We have uh, Jagmeet, are you there? Okay, Manju, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you often like to listen music?
Hello.
Do you often like to listen music?
Yes, I often like to listen music. This is my favorite leisure activity,
Okay. When
and
do you
whenever
listen to music?
uh, it depends on my mood. Whenever I get time to listen music, I always prefer to listen music. And sometimes whenever I feel low, it always gives me a relaxation.
It
So
always
I
gives me, not give me.
gives
It
always
it
gives me
हाँ,
a
it gives me
relaxation.
a relaxation गलत हो गया बेटे. दोबारा बोलो.
It always gives me it always gives me relaxation. Also
हाँ, there that A is extra
relax my
used.
mind.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How much time do you spend listening to music every day?
I spend hours to listen music because it always keep me calm or always uh, uh, keep my mood good.
Okay. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I love to listen legend Hindi songs or 90s music. But sometimes whenever I feel in a and whenever I was in a good mood, I always prefer to listen English songs or
Whenever I
Bollywood
was in a
remix.
good mood, nahi, whenever I
Whenever
Yeah.
I am,
am I ga, ठीक है?
whenever am I,
Am in it. Have you ever been to a concert?
yes, many times. I last time when I went to a music concert, it was Saturday, and it was a live music band in
Okay.
Chandigarh.
Okay. Do you like to listen to live music?
Yes, I love to listen live music or music bands because it is a very good moment of spending time and with my friends. Also, it
Where
is
do you listen live music?
I prefer to go to pubs or discos to go for live music. It's a
Okay.
good place to spend
Okay.
time.
How do you feel when you listen to this music?
I feel good because it was my favorite activity to spend time, and also music is a good thing if you listen or relax your mind. So
Okay, I would suggest that the students please mute yourself. Uh, Mute yourself, okay? Because there's a lot of disturbance in the background otherwise. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो मंजू. Very nice. Is music an important subject at school in India?
uh, as compared to another subjects, music
एक
is
मिनट एक मिनट एक
less.
मिनट एक मिनट As compared to another subject, से बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं राइटिंग में भी. Another का क्या मतलब है?
uh,
इसको ब्रेकअप करो. हिंदी
other
में कहते हैं ना संधि विच्छेद करते हैं जो. तो
as compared to
ब्रेकअप
other
करो.
subjects.
हाँ. Another means
Yes,
one more. You're
one
not
more.
comparing with one more.
Yes.
Another. Okay. So
Another.
as compared to other subjects.
Other
ये
subjects.
the another लिख
Yes.
देते बच्चे. The another reason is वो भी गलत होता है. The other होता है या अकेला another होता है.
हाँ
ठीक
मैम
है.
मैं लिखती हूँ another.
हाँ the another गलत हो जाता है. ठीक है. मैं बहुत बच्चों की कॉपियों में ये करेक्शन करती हूँ. तो कई बार मेरा दिल करता है मैं ऐसे पॉइंट्स बना के निकालूं कि ये कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं और इन पे वर्क कर लो और राइटिंग इम्प्रूव्ड है.
Yes.
ओके. द अनदर इज रॉन्ग. ओके. इज म्यूजिक ये हो गया. हैव यू एवर लर्न्ड टू प्ले अ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट?
No, I've never get a chance to play or
नहीं
learn.
नहीं नहीं आपने आपने गलत बोला. अभी ग्रामेटिकल एरर है. आपने हैव बोला. हैव यू एवर है. आप देखो हैव यू एवर भी फॉर्मेट है. ठीक है. अब हैव यू एवर में नो आई हैव नेवर गेट ए चांस आपने बोला है. आपने ये यहाँ पे करेक्ट करो इसको.
No,
हैव के
I'm
बाद कौन सा फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आना है हमेशा, चाहे क्वेश्चन है चाहे आंसर है?
Third.
थर्ड. तो गेट का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है?
Got.
Got. No, I never got a chance. Okay.
Okay.
No, I have never got a chance to learn
Chance.
any musical instrument.
Yes,
ठीक है. What kind of what kinds of music are popular in India?
Hindi legend music are famous in India, but it depends.
What? Hindi?
Hindi legends music.
Legends music कौन सा होता है? मैंने नहीं सुना.
Legend songs.
नहीं.
Oh,
What is
shit.
that?
Legends,
आपको ना
90s.
म्यूजिक की टाइप्स है, उसके लिए एक बड़ा प्यारा वर्ड है. किसी भी आर्ट की टाइप्स के लिए एक वर्ड है. डू यू नो दैट वर्ड?
मैम जेनरेस.
जॉनरे. इसको जॉनरे कहते हैं. जॉनरे या जॉनर. ओके. दोनों प्रोनाउंसिएशंस है. GENRE है वर्ड. जॉनर है. पर आपने लेजेंड म्यूजिक कोई जॉनर नहीं है. आपका जॉनर्स जो है म्यूजिक में, दे आर फोक म्यूजिक, classical music,
Folk music, classical
fusion,
music.
fusion which is a blend of classical and folk. Okay. हिप हॉप. ये मतलब आप कई और नाम है. ओके.
मैम ये वर्ड आपने क्या बोला था?
जॉनर या जॉनरे. ओके.
Okay.
जॉनर
Meaning
और
क्या होगा
जॉनरे.
इसका?
हाँ, इसका मतलब है टाइप ऑफ मतलब फॉर्म ऑफ एनी आर्ट. जैसे मूवीज के कौन से जॉनर्स हैं? मूवीज के जॉनर्स हैं एक्शन, कॉमेडी, रोमांस.
Sci-fi.
ओके. ऐसे ही म्यूजिक के जॉनर्स हैं फोक म्यूजिक, सूफी
Songs.
म्यूजिक, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. ओके. लाइक दैट. ओके.
Okay.
तो
Okay.
ये सारे आपके वर्ड्स हो गए. What kinds of music? You can say India is a diverse country. All types of musics are popular. Okay. Music are popular. Some people like folk music, some like Sufi music, some like film music. Film music भी है, fusion भी है, Indian classical और western का mix. That is fusion. Fusion is mix of Indian classical and western. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next set of questions will go to मेरे को ना okay, Kinjal, you are there?
Can I go?
Kinjal?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kinjal. Okay, your question is, when do you concentrate?
Yes.
When do you concentrate?
I concentrate when I am trying to read something or when I am trying to focus on one particular reading that I am trying to do.
Okay, when I'm working, I try to concentrate. You can even say, I concentrate when I'm doing anything, because when I concentrate on that thing, I do it better. You can even say like that.
Yes.
Okay, because when I don't concentrate, I can make a mess in the kitchen also. I have to concentrate when I do cooking also, because otherwise my favorite flavor comes up. I've told my students, what is that which spells something which has been made by me? That's my favorite. I make it every day, that flavor. It comes almost every day. Rare days when it doesn't come.
What is it? I'm not aware.
Burnt vegetable flavor. And that is, when it is not there, something's wrong. So it's there, it's always there. Okay. Anyways, that was on a lighter note. So you can say I concentrate on anything that I do, because if I don't concentrate, I sometimes, something goes wrong. Okay. So
Yes.
because mostly we are now multitasking, and when we do multitasking, something or the other is, uh, goes wrong at
Yeah,
times.
it gets, yeah.
Do you find it difficult to concentrate?
No, actually, I don't find it difficult to concentrate because when I am into something, I try to focus on it with all my attention. And usually, when I'm more focused, I get better output from myself.
And you can say
So,
I can even ignore the background noise. It
oh,
doesn't
yes.
matter to me. I can concentrate. If I really want to concentrate on anything, I can concentrate on it. It doesn't matter
Yes.
what is happening in the background. Okay.
Okay.
Do you think you can do two things at the same time?
Yes, I am very much used to doing two things at the same time, and that's why multitasking has been my forte, and that's what I would say. So I
Yes,
am
very
used to
good.
doing
Uh,
two things at a time.
okay. Do the other students know the word she has used, forte? What is forte? Very good. Strong point. Multitasking has been my strong point. I can do multitasking. What all you can do at one time, Kinjal?
I can read, I can, like when I'm cooking, I can even like try to uh, read sometimes, or sometimes I'm listening music and at the same time
Yes,
I'm
listen. You
reading as
can say
well.
listening music, watching
Yeah,
TV, and while
TV, yeah,
cooking. Okay, knitting while doing watching TV. That is also example of multitasking, right?
yes.
Yes. Okay. Next question is, how do you concentrate?
I concentrate, I try to concentrate by focusing on one particular thing that I'm doing. For instance, if I am reading, I would try to avoid all the other disturbances that are going around me, and I try not to focus on those and just look at what I am trying to do. And that's how it helps me to concentrate on one particular task that I'm doing.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next set of questions is on water sports. And do we have Mehek here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done water sports?
Yes, I have done water sports. Actually, I remember when I was in 12th standard, there was a trip organized by the school authorities. So I went to Kullu Manali for water sport activity.
Okay. What water sports? Okay. What sports did you do?
Um, at the time, I did river rafting, and it was one of the adventurous activities I had performed.
I performed. Okay.
I performed.
Are water sports popular in India?
Literally, it's not popular in India as there is not so much awareness regarding the water sports activity. Apart
Okay.
from water sport activity, there are different type of the activities that are quite popular, such as physical sports activities and other related activities.
Okay. Okay. What kind of water sports do you want to try?
Uh, in my future, if I will get the opportunity, then different type of the activities which is related to the water, I would
Which are
definitely try.
related activities which are
which are
related to water.
which are
Okay.
related.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
महक
Uh,
बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटे. Very nice. Okay.
thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
हाँ. Definitely 7+ की स्पीकिंग है. इंट्रो सेट्स पे आइडिया लग जाता है ग्रामर का. अच्छा. Next set is on science class, and Who is going to speak now?
Me, ma'am.
Who is me?
Manpreet.
Manpreet. Okay, Manpreet. Do you like science?
Yes, I like science
अच्छा
because
एक
it.
मिनट जस्ट वेट मैं कुछ बोलने वाली थी पिछले सेट के बारे में आपने
Okay.
वो क्वेश्चन था आर वाटर स्पोर्ट्स पॉपुलर इन इंडिया तो स्टूडेंट ने आंसर दिया नो दे आर नॉट मच पॉपुलर बिकॉज पीपल डोंट हैव लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट देम वो उसका आंसर अपनी जगह सही है मैं उसके आंसर को गलत नहीं बोल रही हूँ बट आपको पता है इंडिया का कोस्टल जो है वो कितना है एरिया कोस्टल जो
1600 किलोमीटर से भी ज्यादा
अच्छा मुझे 7000 का आइडिया था
हाँ सॉरी मैं गुजरात का बता रही हूँ सॉरी
हाँ तो जो पूरा है 7000 किलोमीटर्स का एरिया है गुजरात का 1600 पूरे
हाँ
अच्छा हाँ पूरे इंडिया का 7000 है ठीक है तो अब 7000 अगर कोस्टल एरिया होगा तो वाटर स्पोर्ट्स होंगी नहीं और रिवर्स कितनी है इंडिया में
बहुत सारी
हाँ तो ये
मैडम
रिवर
बहुत
राफ्टिंग
वाटर
आप
स्पोर्ट्स
कहीं जाओ तो वाटर स्पोर्ट्स बहुत होती हैं
गुजरात का 1600 है।
हाँ
रिवर राफ्टिंग स्कूबा डाइविंग
हाँ बहुत सारी वाटर स्पोर्ट्स हैं इंडिया में ठीक है पर जो अगर उसने वो आंसर बोला है तो वो ठीक है ऐसे बोलने के लिए नहीं है आपकी जनरल नॉलेज का टेस्ट नहीं है वैसे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि वैसे आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि इंडिया का कोस्टल एरिया ही बहुत है और कोस्टल एरियाज में तो पता है आपको वाटर स्पोर्ट्स फिर होती हैं स्पीड बोटिंग है कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी ये सब भी तो वाटर स्पोर्ट्स में आती हैं ठीक है
यस
और राफ्टिंग है और वाइट वाटर राफ्टिंग है जो रिवर्स में होती है तो ये सारे वाटर स्पोर्ट्स हैं इंडिया में आप कभी किसी भी कोस्टल एरिया किसी बीच पे जाओ वहां पे ये सब स्पोर्ट्स हो रही होती हैं ठीक है
यस स्कूबा डाइविंग और स्नॉर्कलिंग भी होती है
हाँ
स्कूबा डाइविंग और
स्कूबा
स्नॉर्कलिंग
डाइविंग भी होती है स्नॉर्कलिंग भी होती है ये सारी चीजें होती हैं जो लोग करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए सब फैसिलिटीज हैं इंडिया में जगह जगह ठीक है
Mom, it can be said, no, that to boost tourism, all these
yes
sports activities are very popular.
yes yes you can say because there is a lot of coastal area water है इंडिया में इंडिया के आसपास तो जहाँ वाटर है वाटर स्पोर्ट्स भी हो सकती हैं ठीक है लाइक दैट यू कैन से पर ठीक है वो अपनी जगह उसने जो बोला है उसने ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट इंग्लिश बोली है ऐसी कोई उसमें कोई नेगेटिव नहीं जाने वाला वो आंसर ठीक है
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो कि आई एम नॉट मच अवेयर that whether there are any water sports conducted in India. India has a lot of coastal area. They should be, but I am not much aware of that. Even that is good English to speak. Okay? So
Okay.
आपको जरूरी नहीं है आपका आंसर आपने जीके के आंसर की तरह आंसर देना है आपने इंग्लिश बोलनी है आपको नहीं कुछ पता तो आपने इंग्लिश बोलनी है अगर आपको अपनी मूवी बोल रहे हो आपको क्यू कार्ड में मूवी आ गई अब मूवी में डायरेक्टर का नाम लेना है तो अगर आप लेते हो द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द मूवी सो एंड सो वो भी करेक्ट है और अगर आप डायरेक्टर के लिए ये लाइन बोल देते हो आई कांट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द डायरेक्टर बट हूसोएवर इट इज हैज डन ए वेरी गुड जॉब तो ये भी बहुत अच्छी लाइन है ठीक है सो व्हाट यू स्पीक इट डजंट मैटर जीके नहीं है ये समझ के चलना ठीक है इंग्लिश का टेस्ट हो रहा है आप इंग्लिश बोल पाते हो कि नहीं आपको नहीं कुछ पता बोल दो मुझे नहीं पता दैट इज एंड से इट इन करेक्ट इंग्लिश दैट इज आल्सो इंग्लिश करेक्ट ओके अब शुरू करो चलो मनप्रीत डू यू लाइक
Yes, ma'am.
साइंस
Yes, I like science. I love science because I think it's a good thing to improve imagination. Because in schools, science is the major subject.
Okay. Did you have science class in primary school or high school?
I think it has been with me from my primary school because the main concepts in primary school was related to planet systems.
Okay, main concepts in primary school was related to आएगा कि कुछ और आएगा
Was
were related to
were
concepts आपने plural बोला ना तो were
हाँ
आएगा
जी, were
okay
okay ma'am.
what kind of science did you do at school did you learn at school what kind of science did you learn at school
Uh, I think I remember that there are three types of
there
science.
are आएगा कि there were आएगा
There were
हाँ
three types.
मनप्रीत ये चीजों में बैन पड़े हैं आप पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो स्कूल की बात कर रहे हो तो
Okay.
पास्ट हो गया ना तो आपको
Listen.
पास्ट टेंस लगाना है ठीक है हाँ
Okay.
बोलो हाँ
There were two types of sciences. I think one is physical science where it is related to physics. We can say that physics, and second is second is geographical science, like where they teach us about stars and planets.
वो जोग्राफिकल साइंस नहीं है, एक होती है लाइफ साइंसेस और एक होती है सोशल
Astronomy.
साइंसेस.
So ठीक
ओके.
मैम. Okay.
तो लाइफ साइंसेस में क्या आता है? फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी. सोशल
Okay.
साइंसेस में हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, सिविक्स.
Okay मैम.
ओके, वो सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं. सो आई लर्नड ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ साइंसेस इन स्कूल. शुरू हो ही जाते हैं हमारे. ठीक है.
Yes मैम.
डू यू थिंक साइंस क्लासेस आर इम्पोर्टेंट?
Yes, I think it plays vital role in our
एक
life.
मिनट, आप इट क्यों यूज कर रहे हो? मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है? ध्यान से सुनो मनप्रीत. डू यू थिंक साइंस क्लासेस आर इम्पोर्टेंट?
Yes, I think science classes play a vital
अच्छा,
role.
अब आपने इट नहीं लगाया ना, आपकी गलती भी नहीं आई.
Yes
अब
मैम.
आप इट लगाते हो, इट किसी सिंगुलर चीज के लिए होता है और मेरा क्वेश्चन प्लूरल में था. ठीक है.
Okay मैम. Okay
हाँ,
मैम.
साइंस क्लासेस था, आपने इट नहीं लगाया. जिस चीज के लिए इट लगाया आपने साइंस क्लासेस बोल दिया, आपकी गलती भी नहीं आई. यू नो व्हाट आई टेल माय
Okay.
स्टूडेंट्स
Yes मैम.
कि हमें बिल्डिंग नहीं बनानी, हमें ईंटें नहीं चाहिए, तो इट 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 हटा दो और जिसके लिए इट यूज कर रहे हो ना वो चीज बोलो. आपकी आधी गलतियां ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाएंगी.
Okay मैम.
ठीक है. सो
Okay.
व्हाट काइंड डू यू थिंक साइंस क्लासेस आर इम्पोर्टेंट? नाउ आंसर इट.
Yes, I think science classes play a vital role in our life because it, it because
these प्लूरल के लिए these आता है, इट नहीं आता. ओके. हाँ.
because these classes give students knowledge about science. About science, as I told before, there are
अच्छा, साइंस की नॉलेज से क्या होता है? What
science.
is I mean, what does knowledge of science lead to?
It is important invention of the world.
साइंस की नॉलेज से सुपरस्टिशंस में नहीं फंसते लोग. इफ यू नो अबाउट साइंस, ओके.
Yes.
अदरवाइज एनीबडी कैन मेक यू.
Logic.
व्हेन आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल मुझे किसी ने बताया साइंस की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. तो एक बाबा जी थे, एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठे, उन्होंने पेड़ को खोद के नीचे ना चने रख दिए. चने के ऊपर रख दी मूर्ति और उसके ऊपर डाल दी मिट्टी और उस पे रोज पानी देते थे और लोगों को कहते थे इस जगह से ना भगवान की मूर्ति निकल के आएगी. ठीक है. अब वो
Okay.
चने फूल गए पानी से, तो फिर क्या हुआ? मूर्ति बाहर आ गई और वो बाबा जी बन गए. उनको साइंस की नॉलेज थी, बेचारे लोगों को नहीं थी. ठीक है. तो साइंस की
The logical.
लॉजिक है, रीजनिंग है हर चीज में. चिल्ड्रन विल
Yeah.
फाइंड लॉजिक एंड रीजनिंग इन एवरीथिंग. दे विल नॉट फॉल प्रे टू सुपरस्टिशंस. ठीक है.
Yes.
They will not fall prey to superstitions. It is very important that children start thinking logically. Everything has a reason behind it. Everything has science behind it. Okay. So that is
Okay.
what the study of science does. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
It gives children, it makes children think logically. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
And see the reason behind each and everything. What is happening. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Next student. Let me see those who are registered with me. अपने आप आगे नहीं आते. Okay. Simranjeet from Banga. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Is there good scenery in your hometown, or does your hometown have a lot of scenic views? Is there good scenery in your hometown?
Yes, there are many beautiful sceneries in my hometown. Like the view of green farm. The view of green farms are very beautiful.
Is very view farms के लिए आर आता है, पर यहाँ पे ये verb किसके लिए है? View के लिए. View is very beautiful. तो Simranjeet, how you can start? Is there good scenery in your hometown? You can say I belong to a village. आप village से हो? Farms की
Yes.
बात कर रहे हो. ठीक है.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can say I belong to a village, and yes, there is a very good scenery in my hometown. Whenever I open a window, I can see lush green farms, which are very soothing to the eyes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो that our house is in the center of the farm. It's a farmhouse, so there's a lot of scenic beauty. I can enjoy
Yes,
a
ma'am.
lot of scenic beauty. I belong to a village. Okay, so you can
Yes,
say
yes,
that.
ma'am.
Got it? When you
Yes,
travel,
ma'am.
do you like to live in hotels with good scenic views? Simran ji?
Yes, whenever I yes,
हाँ,
whenever I travel, I always prefer to live in hotels from uh, from which the window view is very beautiful. It also acts as a stress buster for me.
it also act as, इसको correct करो.
It also acts as
Yes, very good.
stress.
It also acts. It के बाद हमेशा s वाला verb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like to take a picture of good scenic views with your smartphone, and why?
Yes, I like to. I always prefer to take pictures of a good scenic view in my phone because uh, I'll
Because I like to capture nature, okay, at its best. You can say scenic views are nature at its best.
To
Whatever
make
whatever good
memories.
sceneries you can see, you can say I like to capture nature at its best in my phone. Okay, I can put it as desktop background in my laptop or in my phone also. phone में भी बन जाता है ना background
yes, ma'am.
किसी picture का. ठीक है. Is there good scenery in cities?
Uh, in this high tech society, now people, I don't think so.
अब देखो, अब पता है क्या, ये इंट्रो सेट्स हैं. आप इंट्रो सेट्स में ना फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में सीधा सीधा आंसर दो और अगले सेंटेंस से उसको एक्सपैंड करो. आपने पहले एक्सपेंशन शुरू कर दी. मेरा क्वेश्चन था, इज देयर गुड सीनरी इन सिटीज? अगर मुझे एग्जामिनर ये पूछता तो मैं सीधा जवाब देती, अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट. Okay, there is no good scenery in cities because unfortunately there is no good scenery in cities because cities have become what? बिल्डिंग्स ही बिल्डिंग्स हैं. उनको क्या कहते हैं? ऐसी ऐसी सिटीज को आजकल क्या कहते हैं जिनमें बिल्डिंग्स ही बिल्डिंग्स हैं?
Concrete jungle.
Concrete jungles. Cities have become concrete jungles and there's no natural view over there. No good
Yes, ma'am.
sceneries. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next set of questions. जो जो registered students हैं, आ जाओ आगे अपने आप. Nisha, are you there?
Hello, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
Nikhil.
Who is that?
Nikhil, ma'am.
Nikhil. Okay, Nikhil. Um, do you like to watch movies or TV shows that make people laugh?
Yes, I like to watch comedy shows, and one of my favorite shows is Friends
Okay, very good. Why do you like to watch such shows?
because it makes me relax, and one of my favorite character is Chandler. It is very sarcastic, and
Okay,
whenever I
okay. It makes me relax. पहले इसको correct करो.
okay,
इसको correct करो.
it makes me relax
It makes me
because
relaxed. हमेशा ed फॉर्म से लगाओ. Because जो
okay.
आपकी फीलिंग आती है ना वो ed फॉर्म से आती है. ओके. और दूसरा आपने बोला माय फेवरेट कैरेक्टर इज
Chandler.
क्या?
Chandler, ma'am.
चैंडलर.
His name
आई
is
डोंट नो.
Chandler.
ओके, तो फिर आपने उसके लिए इट बोला. इट है, वो पर्सन है,
हाँ.
तो पर्सन के लिए इट बोलोगे.
Okay.
क्या
Got it.
बोलोगे?
He is very sarcastic.
यस. ठीक है. सो
Okay.
लाइक दैट यू वोंट से इट. ओके.
Okay.
अच्छा, ये जो ईडी और आईएनजी फॉर्म्स हैं, ईडी और आईएनजी फॉर्म्स, एड और इंग फॉर्म्स, इनको बहुत इजी है समझना. कई बच्चे बोल देते हैं ही इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन and he was interesting in my work. अब दोनों में से कौन सा सेंटेंस गलत है?
He was interesting.
Second वाला.
सेकंड गलत है. सेकंड
Yes,
वाले में कौन सा फॉर्म आना है?
Interested.
इंटरेस्टेड. इंटरेस्टेड
Yes.
आना है, क्योंकि जब आप किसी चीज की क्वालिटी बताते हो तो इंग फॉर्म है. जब आप फीलिंग बताते हो तो एड फॉर्म है, ईडी. जैसे अभी उसने बोला इट मेक्स मी रिलैक्स्ड, तो जो आपकी फीलिंग हो जाएगी क्या होएगी? रिलैक्स्ड. इट मेक्स मी फील रिलैक्स्ड. फील के बाद हमेशा ईडी फॉर्म आता है. ठीक है.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Are you the kind of person who makes people laugh?
Well, I try to, but I don't make people laugh because I am very sensitive person and I don't talk much.
You can say, yes, I have a good sense of humor. I can crack jokes. I can make people laugh. Okay. And
Okay.
yes. And I try to convert any tense situation into a happy one by cracking small jokes. ठीक है? Do you think it is important to laugh with friends?
Yes, I think it is very important to laugh with friends because it keeps you, it makes very strong bond between friends and
Yes. Very good. It makes bond stronger. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Next set of questions.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Nisha. Do you usually spend time by yourself?
Yes, I usually spend time by myself because it is important to spend time by ourselves. And whenever I spend time by myself, so I always prefer to do drawing or sometimes chat with my friends.
ओके। जब आप इंग फॉर्म से कोई क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हो ना तो आप पूरे में इंग फॉर्म ले जाओ। ठीक
Okay,
है? आई प्रेफर टू डू ड्राइंग और चैटिंग विद माय फ्रेंड्स। ओके?
okay,
हाँ, तो वो फिर इसको पैरेललिज्म इसकी एरर हो जाती है, पर अच्छा बोल रहे हो वैसे। ओके?
okay.
व्हाट डिड यू डू लास्ट टाइम यू वर बाय योरसेल्फ?
Last time when I was alone, so I did a lot of things. First, I did beautiful drawing, and then I chat with my friends.
देन आई चैटेड। पास्ट टाइम की
Chatted.
बात हो रही है।
Yes.
ओके? डू यू लाइक स्पेंडिंग टाइम बाय योरसेल्फ?
Yes, I like spending time by myself because it is important to spend time by ourselves. And whenever I spend time by myself, so I prefer to do a lot of things.
I have a lot of hobbies, you can say, and most of my hobbies are done when I'm alone. When I'm sometimes when I'm alone, I get the time to introspect and see what good things I've done, what other good things I can do, how I can be a better person in the future. So you get time to introspect. Introspect is
अपने आप
look
को
within
जज
your,
कर।
yes, अपने आप को देखने का। ठीक है?
Okay.
मैम
ओके।
तो ये हॉबी लीजर टाइम की तरह ही हो गया ना मैम,
हाँ,
अपने
हाँ,
साथ
बिल्कुल
टाइम
वैसे ही
spend
है, स्पेंडिंग टाइम बाय योरसेल्फ अलोन।
करना।
पर
ओके।
कई बच्चे ये भी बोल सकते हैं ना, आई डोंट लाइक टू स्पेंड टाइम बाय माय सेल्फ, आई फील वेरी बोर्ड, आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू बी इन द कंपनी ऑफ पीपल, आई एम अ वेरी आई एम एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट, व्हेन आई एम अलोन आई फील डिप्रेस्ड। ऐसे भी बोल सकते
ओके।
हो। ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
पर आप
Okay.
ऐसे बोल सकते हो, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हॉबीज सो आई नेवर फील बोर्ड, आई नो हाउ टू पास माय टाइम वेरी वेल। ओके? लाइक
Okay.
दैट यू कैन से। वेरी गुड निशा, बड़ा अच्छा बोला बेटे। व्हेन आर
Okay,
यू
ma'am.
प्लानिंग टू सिट फॉर द आइल्स नाउ?
23rd.
23rd. Okay, good,
Yes.
good. Okay. Next set. Uh,
Ma'am, I would like to speak.
who is that?
Sana Sheikh.
Sana. Yes, Sana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's your favorite number?
Uh, Generally, all the birthdays of my kids are favorite for me. There is not some particular number. Like
Uh,
fifth birthday of my elder girl is my favorite number. Whenever it comes,
नहीं,
uh,
आप थोड़ा कुछ तेजी तेजी में बोल के ना कुछ गलत बोल, आप आराम से बोलो, शुरू से बोलो। What's your favorite number?
okay. Generally, there are not any particular number favorite for me,
नहीं नहीं
but
नहीं,
the
generally there are not any particular numbers which are
numbers
my
favorite for
favorites.
me, which are
हाँ
my favorites. But
हाँ।
all the three birthdays of my kids are I find it, I believe it as favorite for me.
आप
Like,
थ्री कर रहे हो, आप थ्री कर रहे हो, फिर आप इट कर रहे हो उसी सेंटेंस में, सना। आप
okay,
कह रहे हो द डेट्स ऑफ माय चिल्ड्रंस बर्थडेज आर माय फेवरेट नंबर्स।
the
ओके?
dates of my children's birthday are my favorite number, like 5th, 18th, and 29th, which was yesterday.
ओके,
Uh,
ओके,
Yesterday was my younger son's birthday.
ओके,
So
ठीक है।
all the three
So
dates
all
are,
the, yes, when my
yes.
children's birthdays are there, those dates are my special numbers. Okay?
So these are my
Are you
special numbers, yes.
are you good at math?
Yes, obviously I am good at maths because it is used in my day-to-day life. Whenever I go for shopping, it is handy for me. for me.
You can say I'm very good at making calculations when I go shopping. Okay, so
Okay, I can
I'm
do it.
good as far as managing my
Yes.
expenses is concerned. तो ऐसे
Okay.
बोल सकते हो. Do you usually
Okay, ma'am.
use numbers?
I don't get what should I speak, ma'am,
You
for this.
कुछ नहीं है, numbers तो आप हर रोज use करते हो ना. Yes, you can say I use numbers every day, mostly while doing financial transactions, mostly while buying things. Don't you use numbers? 10
Okay.
rupees, 20
Yeah,
numbers तो रोज use होते हैं.
the numbers are used in everyday life,
Yes.
and also whenever I teach my kids, I use
हाँ
numbers.
हाँ. अच्छा, kids मत बोलना, ये formal
Children.
English का एग्जाम है. Children ही बोलो, चाहे कितनी
Okay.
बार बोलना पड़े. ठीक
Okay.
है,
So
that is
whenever I
colloquial.
teach my children, I use number.
Yes, I use numbers. Yes.
Okay.
पता है क्या, मेरा ब्रदर है ना, वो बोलता था, उसकी बेटी है, छोटी थी ना, तो वो बोलता था मैं 10 गिनूंगा, बाहर आ जाओ. कहती है अपनी मम्मी को, जब मेरे लिए दूल्हा ढूंढोगे ना, उसको काउंटिंग नहीं आनी चाहिए. ऐसा ढूंढना जिसको
So,
काउंटिंग ना आए.
so
ये
what I do with my children also, I say them before I count 3, you should do this. You should go to that particular place.
तो उन्होंने बोलना है, आपके बेटे ने बोलना है, मेरी वाइफ ढूंढोगे ना, उसको काउंटिंग नहीं आनी
Yes,
चाहिए.
ma'am. Yes.
तो ये नंबर्स का ये चक्कर है. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. एनी अदर स्टूडेंट जो लेफ्ट आउट है अभी
Ma'am,
तक?
मैम
यस. ओके, नवरीन. ब्रेक. उसके
Okay,
बाद किसने बोलना है? Who is next? ओके, पहले नवरीन है.
yes,
Navreen, do
ma'am.
you prefer a long break or several short breaks?
Ma'am, I prefer several short breaks because I can only concentrate for short durations. That's why I prefer only short breaks.
Several short
Ma'am,
breaks. Several short breaks का
several.
several का मतलब है, आपने जो बोला ना कि मैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए concentrate कर सकती हूँ, थोड़े टाइम के बाद मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए, तो आपको
Yes, ma'am.
छोटी छोटी ब्रेक्स ज्यादा चाहिए, है ना? तो
Yes, ma'am.
several word is very important here.
Okay, ma'am.
I prefer several short breaks instead of a long break, because I cannot concentrate for long time at a time, and so for long at a time, and so I need a break after every, say half an hour or 1 hour. If I take a break, I
Okay.
can concentrate better. ठीक है.
Yes,
अच्छा,
yes, ma'am.
जीटी वालों की बुक में ना एक ऐसे है कि हॉलीडेज जो है वो ज्यादा, छोटी छोटी हॉलीडेज ज्यादा देनी चाहिए एम्प्लॉयज को, कि एक लंबी हॉलीडे देनी चाहिए साल में. तो उसका ये ऐसे जो क्वेश्चन है ना, दे लीड मी टू दोज गेस वर्क एसेज. So I think you should all read all those essays and see what you'll write in that. Okay. What do you usually do during a break?
During a break, I like to check social networking apps on my phone. I also like to listen to music and watch some comedy movies from my phone on my phone.
Okay. How often do you take a break?
When I'm studying or working, I normally take a break after every hour.
Okay. Why do you need to take a break?
As I said earlier, I find it difficult to concentrate for longer duration, so I take a breaks to relax myself after every hour.
Okay. Next set. Who is there?
मैम ये ठीक था या मुझे थोड़ा
हाँ,
और
बहुत अच्छा
prepare
बोला है
करते हैं?
नवरीन. Your speaking is very good. बहुत अच्छा
Okay,
बोला.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ जी, who is speaking next? Next. मेरे को ना एक्चुअली जो भी स्टूडेंट है उसकी आवाज कट के आ रही है, तो आपके आंसर्स भी नहीं सुनेंगे हमें. हार्दिक, आपने बोला था. ओके, हार्दिक, how often do you have a
Yes, ma'am.
haircut? How often do you have a haircut?
I have haircut once or twice a month, just
Okay.
because I'm more suited for a long hair.
You are?
Hello.
हाँ बेटा, आपकी आवाज कट के आ रही है, so I can't make out what you said. I couldn't make out what you said.
I prefer to haircut once or twice a month, just because I prefer to a long hair.
You prefer long hair?
It's suited for me for a long hair.
नहीं, आप ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग बोल रहे हो. अगर 2 बार महीने में हेयर कट ले रहे हो तो फिर लंबे बाल थोड़ी आपको पसंद है. अगर लंबे पसंद होते तो 6 महीने में 2 बार हेयर कट के, मिसाल में 2 बार जाते। लंबे आप बोलो दैट आई लाइक टू हैव माय हेयर शॉर्ट, दैट इज व्हाई आई गो फॉर अ हेयर कट वंस और ट्वाइस अ मंथ। ठीक है, लंबे बाल नहीं पसंद है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, तो
ओके मैम।
लंबे कितने टाइम में हो जाते हैं? हफ्ते 10 दिन में थोड़ी लंबे हो जाते हैं बाल। क्या आपके हो जाते हैं? मुझे नहीं पता। कईयों के
नो मैम।
कईयों की हेयर ग्रोथ अच्छी हो सकती है। ओके, तो आप महीने में 1-2 बार जाते हो तो इतना करो। हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू हैड योर करंट हेयर कट? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू हैड योर
I
करंट हेयर
current
कट?
hair,
हाँ,
the current haircut I have for 2 months ago.
okay, I have had my current haircut for 2 months. How long have you had? I have had my current haircut for 2 months. How long have you had? Have you had? ठीक है, अब हैव यू हैड है ना, आई हैव हैड, ये बच्चे ये कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, एक ही सेंटेंस में हैव भी आ गया और हैड भी आ गया। ठीक है, आई हैव हैड माई करंट हेयर कट। करंट हेयर कट मेरे को पिछले 2 महीनों से मेरे पास मैंने कराया है, 2 महीनों से चल रहा है। तो आई हैव हैड माई करंट हेयर कट फॉर द लास्ट 2 months. आई थिंक इट स्टिल लुक्स गुड, यू कैन से 2 महीने हो गए हैं मैंने कराया था एंड इट स्टिल लुक्स गुड। ठीक है, तो ये जो हैड वर्ड है ना, हैव हैड, ये इकट्ठा कहाँ कहाँ आता है?
हैड तो थर्ड फॉर्म है ना मैम यहाँ पे,
हाँ
और हैव के साथ लगी हुई है।
हाँ, सो
जब
अब
भी हमारे
मैं
पास
आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, हार्दिक,
perfect.
हार्दिक, हैव यू
Yes,
हैड योर
ma'am.
ब्रेकफास्ट टुडे?
I have had breakfast.
यस, देखो,
One,
यस आई हैव हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट टुडे।
Present perfect tense.
हाँ,
जान
और जो
दे
हैड है वो
जान।
सिंपल वर्ब है, रेगुलर वर्ब है। ठीक है, तो ईटन की जगह पे है, हैव यू ईटन योर ब्रेकफास्ट? यस आई हैव ईटन। हैव यू हैड योर ब्रेकफास्ट ईटन की जगह पे है। ठीक है, यस आई हैव हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट। तो हैड जो है रेगुलर वर्ब हो गया, और हैव जो उसके साथ है पहला। हैव यू हैड, हैव यू ईटन, हैव यू बीन, हैव यू टेकन, हम जो ये थर्ड फॉर्म लगाते हैं ना, उसकी जगह पे हैड है वहां पे, हैव यू हैड। ठीक है, तो आई हैव हैड। ठीक है, डू यू लाइक टू हैव योर हेयर कट? डू यू लाइक टू हैव योर हेयर कट?
yes, I like to have my haircut. It is a nice look for my face.
Okay, very good. Okay, next questions. Next set. Let me only see who all students are here. रोहतास आप हो यहाँ पे? श्वेता, हाँ रोहतास हो?
यस मैम।
ओके, चलो रोहतास बोलेगा। Do you like the area you live in?
Yes, I love the area that I live because it is a good environment and a good
It is a
good environment around.
good environment. Okay. अच्छा, जब आपको कोई पूछता है डू यू लाइक द एरिया यू लिव इन, आप बोलोगे यस आई लाइक द एरिया आई लिव इन, ऐसे बोलोगे कि यस आई लाइक द एरिया आई लिव इन, आई लव द एरिया आई लिव इन, all the people are very nice, the area is very neat and clean, okay, like that. थोड़ी जान डालो अपनी स्पीच में रोहतास।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
यस
मैम, पहले एरिया जैसे हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं तो नाम बोलना पड़ेगा उसमें, आई लिव इन दिल्ली।
हाँ, बोल सकते हो आई लिव इन दिल्ली, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एरिया। आप दिल्ली में जहाँ रहते हो उस एरिया का भी बोल सकते हो।
यस, जैसे दिल्ली कैंट में रहते हैं तो कैंट की।
हाँ, yes, you can say I stay in Delhi, Kent. It's a very nice area. It's a very posh area. It has, you know,
खा लिया मैंने ये।
बोल सकते से,
हाँ
ठीक
जी,
है?
खाई है ये और।
ओके मैम।
हाँ,
ओयो।
okay. What are some changes in the area recently? What recent changes have taken place? ये question गलत है. What recent changes have taken place in your area? Yes.
There are the lots of the changes provided by the government, like the one banking system as well as the English medium school, government English medium school provided by the government.
हाँ, देखो आप पूरे वर्ब बीच में से खा रहे हो। आपको ये जो व्हाट रीसेंट चेंजेस हैव टेकन प्लेस, ओके, हैव टेकन प्लेस, एग्जामिनर ने आपको थर्ड फॉर्म लगा दी क्वेश्चन में, आपने इसका आंसर मेनी रीसेंट चेंजेस हैव टेकन प्लेस इन माय होम टाउन, सीधा ये बोलो। उसके बाद बोलो कौन क्या बोला था आपने? न्यू स्कूल हैज बीन ओपन्ड, नया स्कूल खुला है वहां पे।
Yes, ma'am. And a
हाँ
banking
आप
sector.
बोलो. न्यू बैंक हैज ओपनड इन माय होम टाउन. कौन सी बैंक खुली है?
गवर्नमेंट में.
गवर्नमेंट की कौन सी बैंक खुली है? गवर्नमेंट बैंक है उसका नाम?
नहीं मैम, ये
हाँ.
पंजाब नेशनल बैंक.
हाँ तो पंजाब नेशनल, अ ब्रांच ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक हैज ओपनड इन माय एरिया. फिर आपका स्कूल एक बना है, कौन सा स्कूल है वो?
गवर्नमेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम.
हाँ तो यू कैन से गवर्नमेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल हैज ओपनड इन माय एरिया, which is a blessing for the people of this area. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
और बताओ और क्या चेंज हुई है?
And also the road connectivity improved by government.
रोड कनेक्टिविटी हैज इम्प्रूव्ड, ये बोल सकते हो. रोड कनेक्टिविटी अच्छी हो गई है. ओके. तो आप ऐसे हैज हैव लगाओ पूरे आंसर में. क्वेश्चन में अगर हैव है ना तो आंसर में जगह जगह पे हैव या हैज आएगा. हैज किसके साथ आएगा? सिंगुलर के साथ. हैव किसके साथ आएगा? प्लूरल के
Plural
साथ.
के
What recent changes have taken place? Many recent changes have taken place. A new school has opened. A new bank, Punjab National, a branch of Punjab National Bank has opened. ठीक है? Like that you can say. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know any famous people in your area?
Yes, yes. There are the lots of many famous people in my areas. Like some are soldiers in the defense forces. Also, some are the respected person in in my area.
Okay. Where do you like to go in your area?
I like to go a park which is nearby my hometown. And
Nearby,
usually
nearby नहीं बोलते. Near my home, near my hometown. या in my hometown नहीं बोलते. पार्क आपके होम टाउन में ही होगा ना. नियर माई होम कह सकते हो, नियर माई होम टाउन नहीं. अगर होम टाउन के नियर बोल रहे हो तो फिर तो होम टाउन की सबर्ब्स क्रॉस करके हो गया ना. ठीक है. नियर माई होम बोल सकते हो. आई लाइक टू गो टू अ पार्क विच इज नियर माई होम. दैट इज इट. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. इज देयर एनीबॉडी हु इज लेफ्ट आउट?
Good morning, ma'am.
Shweta. Okay. चलो. Do Indian people like to drink tea or coffee?
Well, Indian people always prefer to drink tea. They are very fond of take tea whenever they get chance.
They are very fond of take tea. इसको correct करो.
Okay, ma'am. They are very fond of to take tea.
ना इसको correct
have
करो ना.
Just tea.
Have tea.
They are very fond of tea बोल सकते हो, या they are very fond of. ऑफ लगा दिया तो उसके बाद इंग फॉर्म आएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ इज ए प्रेपोजिशन. जितनी भी प्रेपोजिशंस है ना इनके बाद इंग फॉर्म आता है. दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टेकिंग टी. दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टी.
टू हैव भी आ सकता है ना.
फॉन्ड टू हैव नहीं, वो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ. फॉन्ड के बाद ऑफ आता है. देखो ये भी है कि फॉन्ड टू नहीं आता, फॉन्ड ऑफ. ओके. दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टी. दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टेकिंग टी. ओके. So you can say tea is a very common, beverage drink that Indian people like. Okay. Do you prefer tea or coffee for guests at home?
Whenever I got guests at home, I prefer
Whenever
to
I got.
get.
हाँ, जब मेरे घर में गेस्ट आते थे नहीं.
Whenever
I get
guests at home,
हाँ.
I prefer to serve a cup of coffee to them because
अच्छा मेरे को बताओ, अगर 4 जने आए उनको a cup of coffee दोगे?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. I prefer to offer coffee. Okay. Yeah. Why can't you say like that I always ask my guests what they would like to have. If they like tea, I make tea. If they like coffee, I make coffee.
According to their choices.
हाँ. I ask them what they would like to have.
Okay.
ऐसे ही हम करते हैं ना.
Okay, ma'am.
हम ऐसे करते हैं, पूछते हैं ना कि आप चाय लोगे कि कॉफी. पूछते हैं कि सीधा बना के लाते हैं आप. ये लो. आज मेरा चाय का मन था, मैंने चाय बनाई आपके लिए. आज मेरा कॉफी का मन था, आप कॉफी पियो मेरे साथ. ठीक है. When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
Even it's today morning during my
अच्छा आप मेरे को
breakfast.
बताओ, आपका ये आंसर इवन से शुरू करा ना, थोड़ा सा गलत उठाया गया। अगर आपने मेरे फॉर्मेट्स की प्रैक्टिस करी होती तो इसका आंसर आप कैसे उठाते? व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम यू ड्रैंक टी और कॉफी?
Last time
द लास्ट टाइम, द लास्ट टाइम आई ड्रैंक टी वाज टुडे मॉर्निंग।
was today morning.
देखो
Oh,
फॉर्मेट
okay.
7+ का आंसर जाता है सीधा। फॉर्मेट्स आर सो इम्पोर्टेंट, इसीलिए बनाए हैं कि आपको आंसर सोचना ना पड़े, उठाया जाए। और ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करो कि आपको जैसे कार चलाते हुए गियर चेंज करने के लिए सोचना नहीं पड़ता ना, ऐसे सोचना ना
Yes.
पड़े। ओके,
Okay.
इट शुड जस्ट, आपको ये थोड़ी सोचना है कि फॉर्मेट आ गया इसका आंसर देना है। आपको
Okay.
इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो उसकी कि ऑटोमेटिकली करेक्ट आंसर आपके मुंह से निकले।
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
दैट इज ब्यूटी ऑफ दीज फॉर्मेट्स। जिन बच्चों ने इनकी
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस करी है, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करी है, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा करा अटेम्प्ट स्पीकिंग, ठीक है। दे
Okay, ma'am.
शुड बिकम ऑटोमेटिक, ठीक है।
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस।
मैम शुड आई ट्राई?
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ चलो, पहले रीना ने बोला, उसको चांस देते हैं, ठीक है।
यस यस
हैज योर वॉइस एवर चेंज्ड?
Yes, I think when I was in teenage, my voice got changed. It became more deep, and I think if my voice was very childish in my childhood, and now it's seems mature, and most of the people like my voice.
हाँ, तो आप बोल सकते हो माय वॉइस वाज अ बिट श्रिल व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड। चाइल्डिश व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड नहीं जच रहा, ठीक है।
Okay,
हाँ,
okay,
इट वाज अ बिट श्रिल व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड, बट नाउ इट हैज
okay.
बिकम डीपर एंड इट्स, ठीक है।
Yeah,
लाइक
ma'am.
दैट। इज योर वॉइस सिमिलर टू योर पेरेंट्स?
In most of the families, there are a lot of similarities between the family members, and voices among those similarities. But my voice does not similar to my parents.
Is
It
not
look
similar, is not, does not नहीं, is not
yeah,
similar.
it's not similar to my parents. Most of the people say that my voice resembles to my sister's voice, and
ओके, टू नहीं आना,
people
माय वॉइस रिजेंबल्स माय सिस्टर्स वॉइस,
my sister's voice.
ठीक है। हाँ वो बोलो।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, डू यू लाइक टू रिकॉर्ड योर वॉइस?
Yes, I like to record my voice. Whenever I am in a good mood, then I like to sing and record my voice. And I usually send this type of messages to my siblings. Apart from this, I prefer to send recorded messages to my brothers and sisters on important occasions like their birthday, their marriage, wedding anniversaries, to wish them
Okay.
instead of
Does anyone
written.
in your family have a similar voice?
Yes, my sister has a similar voice. Her voice resembles my voice.
Very good. Resembles के बाद टू नहीं आना, ठीक है।
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. नेक्स्ट सेट, पहले किसने बोला था? Who wants
मैं
to speak?
बोलूं?
हाँ जी, ये कौन है? गैलेक्सी?
Yes, सना.
हाँ
Hello, ma'am. सना.
हाँ, कौन?
Hello, सना. Good
सना,
morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग। ओके ओके, what languages do you speak?
I speak different kind of language,
डिफरेंट
mainly
के
three.
बाद ना प्लूरल आता है, दोबारा बोलो।
I speak different kinds of language. For lang
लैंग्वेजेस
languages.
हाँ,
And my mother tongue is Hindi, so I speak Hindi, and I also know English and Gujarati.
आपकी
So
मदर टंग हिंदी है क्या गुजराती है?
Hindi है.
पर
Like
हम पंजाब वाले अपनी मदर टंग को पंजाबी बोलते हैं, तो हिंदी तो
okay,
नेशनल लैंग्वेज है। मदर टंग जो होती है, जो अपने सबसे पहली लैंग्वेज घर में जो उठते सीखते हो, वो मदर टंग है, माँ बोली।
yes,
दैट इज योर स्टेट की लैंग्वेज ना।
yes.
गुजराती मदर टंग है, हिंदी
नहीं,
नेशनल लैंग्वेज है। आई नो दैट। क्यों, मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ? बताओ।
yes, but हम घर में हिंदी बोलते हैं.
अच्छा, तो आपकी आपकी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज हिंदी है, ठीक है।
हाँ,
एंड देन यू हैव गुजराती एंड इंग्लिश। ओके,
yes.
व्हेन डिड यू लर्न इंग्लिश?
Actually, it was in my school. I started learning English. It was one of my subject in my primary school.
वन ऑफ माय सब्जेक्ट, करेक्ट करो।
One of my subjects.
यस, ओके, वेरी गुड। डू यू थिंक इंग्लिश इज डिफिकल्ट टू लर्न?
I don't think so now. Actually, if it's a very frank and very easy language, if you put a bit hard work, you will easily get to know about it.
You will easily get to learn English. It is, you can say it is not difficult to learn because it has only 26 alphabet. And other many other languages have more. गुजराती के कितने alphabet है? पंजाबी के 35 है. गुजराती के कितने हैं?
36 around.
हाँ?
20 नहीं, ज्यादा नहीं है. 26 और बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है मैम, 20s में ही है.
अच्छा. Okay. So English has only 26 alphabet, and which is so, and many other languages have, Chinese, Mandarin, कितने पता है आपको alphabet कितने हैं?
बहुत
Pictorial.
ज्यादा.
3,500 जो मैंने सुना है.
हाँ.
Okay. So those languages are very difficult to learn. ठीक है?
Okay.
Would you like to learn other languages?
Yes, if I had a chance, I would like to learn new language because it develop my confidence, my skill, and overall it has a
देखो
main
आपने बोला it
If I
develops,
get.
it develops.
develops.
ठीक है? I would like to, if I get a chance, I would like to learn other languages because it would develop my confidence and my skill. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay, next set. Balvinder, are you there? Khushbu, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, Balvinder, you are there.
Good morning.
Okay, chalo, your question. Do you always smile?
Yes, I always smile. It makes me happy, and every person like my smile.
Likes my smile. Every के बाद singular. Okay, likes.
Okay,
Do you like smiling?
Yes, I like smiling. It makes me happy, and every person
Likes to. Every के बाद
likes
s वाला verb, likes to.
Okay, every likes to.
Every person likes to see me smiling. People who love me want to see me smile, and that is why I like smiling. My parents say that when I smile, I look beautiful. Okay, you can say like that.
Okay, ma'am.
And it brings positivity in me when I smile. ठीक है? When you smile, it's ये कल्चर है जो मैंने बाहर देखा है कि कोई भी आपको अननोन पर्सन भी आपके साथ आई कांटेक्ट हो गया ना, आपको स्माइल तो पास कर ही देगा और हाय बाय करके जाएगा.
हेलो बोल के जाएगा.
है ना?
हाँ.
और स्माइल भी दे देते हैं. सही है ना? हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ. और यहाँ पे इंडिया में ऐसे करने लग गए, क्या होएगा पता है?
अरे मुझे हाय बोला.
हाँ. अच्छा, ये स्माइल कर रही है. ओके, चलो. Should people smile more? Balvinder.
Yes, people should smile more because it's a good habit, and every person likes you when you smile.
मैंने कहीं
It
पढ़ा
makes
था कि जब स्माइल करते हो तो फेस के कितने मसल्स यूज होते हैं.
I don't know.
36 or some.
मैंने पढ़ा था कहीं पे 70s में है नंबर, एंड व्हेन यू फ्राउन ओनली 14 और 15. तो आप ज्यादा मसल्स की एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो ना, अच्छा है. यू आर वर्किंग आउट मोर मसल्स व्हेन यू स्माइल. ठीक है?
Okay, it helps. As people say, it helps to exercise my face muscles.
एंड ये भी बोल सकते हो, इट हेल्प्स टू कीप योर हार्ट यंग. ओके, व्हेन यू स्माइल इट कीप्स योर हार्ट यंग. ओके. When do people smile at others?
People smiles to others
Smile at.
when they
Smile at others.
okay, smile at other when
Others, plural.
others when they greet someone, and sometimes they. Okay.
Can you recognize a fake smile?
Yes, I can recognize the fake smiles
Because
because it shows easily
अच्छा, बिकॉज जो रियल स्माइल है वो पूरे पूरे फेस पे झलकती है. यू कैन से द रियल स्माइल गोज ऑन द होल फेस. ऐसे होता है ना, अगर आप स्माइल करो आंखें भी स्माइल कर रही है, पता चलता है. और जो फेक स्माइल है वो कैसी होएगी, पता चल रही है फेक स्माइल.
Yes. Okay. Real smiles. Real
reflects
smiles
reflects in the
reflect
eyes also,
in the
reflects in
eyes
the
also.
overall body language. Okay. And the fake smile is just around the lips. You can make it out at times. Some people are very good at uh, making the fake smile also look like real, but mostly you can make out a fake smile. ठीक है?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Next set of questions. Who is left? Who hasn't answered? There are so many people in this class. ओके, चलो रिपीट कर लो जिन्होंने बोलना है. छयांक बोलोगे?
Yes,
नेक्स्ट.
ma'am.
ओके.
Yeah.
Jeans. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, I usually wear jeans as a attire for my daily routine, and I find it really comfortable, as well as it is more durable, and it suits my profession, wherein I'm mostly more prone to go to site visits and
Okay.
spend my
How
day out.
often do you wear jeans?
I surely choose and pick up jeans for my daily attire routine. But mostly when I go to site visits, I make it a point that I wear jeans.
Do you like wearing jeans, and why?
I love wearing jeans because, firstly, they offer a comfortable attire to me, and the reason why I mostly wear them is associated with its durability in the long run.
Okay. Why do you think jeans are popular?
Uh, it is surely a fact that jeans nowadays has become a popular attire amongst youngsters as well as working professionals. It is due to the fact that it is easily available and fits into the pockets of even people who are not like financially so good, as well
And
as
they're easy on the pocket because just buy a pair of jeans and
yeah.
they can last for
uh,
years. ठीक
so
है?
I was coming to
अच्छा,
that.
jeans has become, कुछ आपने has बोला, jeans के साथ have आएगा.
Have
प्लूरल
become.
होता है ये. अच्छा.
Yes, yes,
हाँ,
yes.
चाहे one pair of jeans हो ना, फिर भी इसको प्लूरल ही कहते हैं. ठीक है? One pair of jeans, हम one jeans नहीं बोलते. I've got a pair of jeans, pair of trousers. ठीक
Even
है?
the word itself is a plural with
Yes,
a
yes, it is used as a plural. Okay,
yeah,
that
yeah,
is why have आएगा. ठीक है?
yes.
Okay, next set.
I will try, ma'am.
Yes,
Try.
sure. Yes, Nirali. Um, do you walk a lot?
Yes, ma'am. I like to walk a lot, and even I am not driving a car because I don't have license. So I used to go. I go for my work by walking, and I
अब used
almost
to को
walk.
आपने correct करा है ना? Used to.
Yes.
इसका क्या मतलब है? सबको
पहले
बताओ.
जाती थी, अब नहीं जाती.
हाँ, used to का मतलब है अब नहीं. बड़े बड़े बच्चे इसको आज वैसे मैंने नोट करा है, 2 जनों ने करेक्ट करा है used to बोल के, फिर आपने ही दूसरी बार करा है करेक्ट आज. Used
हाँ,
to को.
मैंने किया.
हाँ, तो used to, and I noted that you corrected it immediately. तो याद आ गया ना, पिछली बार बताया था,
ये
तो इसको नहीं बोलना. ठीक है, good, good. Okay. Do you walk more than in the past?
yes. Since I came in Canada, I walk a
Came to
lot.
Canada होएगा. Since I came to Canada.
Since I came to Canada, I walk a lot. In India, I have
Since I came
motor.
to Canada होएगा. Since I've come to Canada, I walk a lot. Yeah, ever
Since
since
I
I came to Canada, I walk a lot. Okay.
ever since
I
yeah,
came
ever
to
since
Canada, I walk a lot. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Where do you usually take a walk?
Usually I go for a work by walking. And also if I get off,
I usually go for a work, nahi to work. I usually walk to my workplace every day. Okay.
Yes.
And apart from that, I don't have to find any special time for walking because I walk to my workplace and I walk to the grocery store also every day, almost every day, every other day. ठीक है?
Yeah.
You can say. Do you think people will walk more in the future?
No, because nowadays the technology is improved in also so people have their private cars and private vehicle to uh, go for a work or go for a shopping. Also, the public transports are improved now, and the
Have
frequency
improved.
of
Have
improved. Have improved, okay, and the frequency of public transport is also improved, so people don't walk, they just get because it's easy way to get a bus or get a car, so people don't walk.
Okay. Next set is plan. Who is going to answer?
I will try, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who is speaking? किसी किसी की आवाज आई पहले. I'll try. कौन बोल रहे थे?
मैम कोई बॉय है, बड़ी
हाँ
स्लो सी आवाज आ रही थी ऐसा.
हाँ बोलो
उसने
कौन है?
पहले
आप बोलो.
एलिस.
हाँ एलिश.
Alice.
हाँ बोलो थोड़ा जोर से बोलना. अच्छा.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you make plans every day?
No, my plan is similar in every day, but sometime I visit a new place. At that time, I make a plan.
नहीं क्या कर रहे हो? Do you make plans every day? आप
No,
हर
I
रोज
don't.
आप हर रोज मेरा तो रोज प्लान होता है. अच्छा आज मैंने ये करना है, आज मैंने ये करना है, ये बनाना है. तो आप हर रोज कोई प्लान नहीं बनाते हो उठ के? प्लान है, अच्छा आज मैं ये पहनूंगा, आज मैं ये करूंगा, आज मैंने ये खाना है. ये सारे प्लान्स हैं. आप कोई स्पेशल प्लान्स के बारे में सोच रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
हाँ. So yes, I make plans every day. I make plans to, whenever I get up in the morning, I start thinking how my day will go, and I decide on a plan. I'll get up, I'll do this, I'll have my breakfast, go for a walk. तो ये सारे plans है ना?
Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो हम सभी बनाते नहीं है प्लान सुबह उठ के कि ऐसे बस सोचते जाते हैं जो होता जाएगा वो देखते जाओ. कुछ तो
No,
माइंड
no.
में चलता है ना दिन में क्या करना है जब आप उठते हो.
Yes, yes.
हाँ तो ऐसे बोलो. वो आंसर्स जो बुक में लिखे हैं उनको आप लॉजिकली सोच के आंसर बोलो. ठीक है? I don't make any special plans, you can say, but I just whenever I get up, I just in my mind make a plan on what I'll do that day. Okay, how my day will go. I just try to make a plan on that so that I can work on something. I have some aim in mind to work on. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Are you good at managing your time? Are you
Yes,
good at managing your time?
yes, I am good at managing my time because I make a
Elish,
schedule.
can you speak again? Are you good at managing your time?
Yes, I am good at
आप
managing my.
I am a good क्यों बोल रहे हो? मेरे को लगा पहली बार मेरे कानों में अ पड़ा है, पर आपने दूसरी बार भी बोला आई एम अ गुड एट मैनेजिंग माय टाइम. ये अ क्यों बोल रहे हो बीच में? अब दोबारा बोलो. आर यू गुड एट मैनेजिंग योर टाइम?
Yes, I am good managing my time.
आई एम अ की आवाज आ रही है बेटे.
Okay.
हाँ दोबारा बोलो. आर यू गुड एट मैनेजिंग योर टाइम?
Yes, I am good at
हाँ.
managing my time.
यस सी इट मेक्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ डिफरेंस. वो अ बीच में आ रहा है. अ नहीं आना चाहिए. अ का मतलब एक है. मैं एक
Okay,
अच्छा हूँ मैनेज करने के लिए टाइम. गलत हो जाता है ना?
okay, okay.
हाँ आपके एक्स्ट्रा अर्स नहीं आने चाहिए. ठीक है. यस आई एम गुड एट मैनेजिंग माय टाइम. ठीक है आगे बोलो.
Yes, I am. I am. I
You'll
am
have
good.
to work on it, Elish.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you'll have to work on this. नहीं आना चाहिए बीच में. ठीक है. गुड. चलो आगे बोलो.
Yes, I am good at managing my times because in this way I can complete my work on time.
हाँ. So I am good at managing my time. I meticulously plan my day whenever I get up. Okay. I meticulously plan. अच्छे से plan करता हूँ बारीकी की details. So that I can manage my time well. ठीक है. Time management. What is the importance of time management?
I think there are many importance regarding time management. If people make a schedule for managing time, so they will not face any problem in future perspective. So we cannot face any problems.
So time management is very important. See, time management is very important. God has been very kind. He has given the same 24 hours in a day to the president of the US and the beggar on the street. So, what is the difference between success and failure?
I think
Time
main
management. Time management.
Time management.
Yes. See, God has been very fair. ऐसे तो नहीं है ना कि उनको 36 घंटे मिले दिन में, हमें 24 मिले।
no, no.
सबको एक जैसे मिले हैं ना?
Yes, yes.
हाँ, सो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो, टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन सक्सेस एंड फेलियर इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट। Okay, and see, people who are very busy, they manage their time also very well, and they find time for everything. And when you have nothing to do in the day, when you are not managing your time, you have nothing to do in the day, you tend to procrastinate. आपके पास कुछ नहीं है करने को, तो आप क्या करते हो? काम टालते हो, प्रोक्रास्टिनेट। प्रोक्रास्टिनेट का मतलब होता है काम कर लूंगा, बहुत टाइम है, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा। ऐसे ही करते हैं ना हम सब। वी टेंड टू प्रोक्रास्टिनेट जब खाली होते हैं। और जब बिजी होते हैं तो हमें पता होता है, अच्छा अभी काम पे जाना है, ये भी काम करना है, वो भी काम करना है, तो फिर सारा काम प्लानिंग से करते हैं और सब कुछ हो जाता है। एम आई राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मुझे किसी स्टूडेंट ने आज मैसेज भेजा कि मैडम 12 घंटे काम करता हूँ, कभी-कभी 14 घंटे भी काम करता हूँ, तो मेरे पास टाइम बहुत कम होता है। मैंने कहा अगर आपके पास आप इतना काम करते हो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, पर आप इतना काम करते हो तो इसके लिए भी आप टाइम निकाल लोगे, ये मुझे पक्का पता है। आप निराली को देख लो। निराली आप वर्क करते हो ना? शिफ्ट वर्क
Yes,
है और फिर भी
9 hours.
सब सब क्लासेस के लिए टाइम निकाल रहे हो, होमवर्क भी करके भेज रहे हो, रीडिंग भी कर रहे हो, रोज लिसनिंग भी कर रहे हो। और जब कभी
Yeah.
कभी अपनी लाइफ में वो दिन याद करो जब कुछ नहीं था करने को, तो फिर क्या होता था? जो 2-4 काम करने होते थे वो भी पड़े रह जाते थे। ऐसे सही है ना?
Yes, yes.
हाँ, वी टेंड टू प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट, फिर वो भी नहीं होते। तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और जब टाइम मैनेज करते हो ना, तो आपका सब काम हो जाता है। रीना, ध्यान से सुनना। आपको लगता है ना
Yes,
आपको घर में टाइम नहीं मिलता?
yes, ma'am.
ये पक्की बात है कि घर में सारे काम करके भी आप अच्छा टाइम निकाल सकते हो।
एक्चुअली ना मैम, बड़ों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है, उनको मैं मना नहीं कर पाती।
हाँ, तो मना करना
प्रॉब्लम
भी नहीं चाहिए। ठीक
तो
है?
फिर वो ना कई बार ऐसे टाइम पर गेस्ट, जैसे परसों से ना जागरण था यहाँ फैमिली में,
हाँ,
गेस्ट
हाँ,
आए जा रहे थे, आए जा रहे थे।
हाँ,
रियली वो कल तक भी रुके, तो
हाँ,
फिर मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला।
हाँ। तो आप उनके साथ बैठ जाते हैं किताब खोल के। तो मल्टीटास्किंग, अटेंडिंग टू गेस्ट एंड स्टडीइंग। ठीक है?
यस मैम।
तो जब टाइम निकालते हैं ना, ऐसे ही टाइम निकलता है, जब टाइम
नहीं,
निकालना होता है। ठीक है?
आपसे बहुत मैम मोटिवेशन मिलता है आपको देखकर, रियली में। मतलब मैं अपने आप से इतनी उम्मीद भी नहीं कर रही थी, जो अपने लंबे टाइम बाद मैंने पढ़ाई शुरू की है, आपको देखकर बहुत कुछ सीखा है मैंने।
चलो, गुड गुड। आप सारे एक दूसरे को देख के सीखते हैं, मैंने भी बच्चों से बहुत कुछ सीखा है।
और अब
बहुत।
आपने निराली की बात बताई तो मेरे को इससे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के कि निराली
हाँ,
की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है,
हाँ।
तो अब
और
मुझे अच्छा
वो
लगा।
भी जॉब कर रही है, वो मैरिड है, घर का काम भी कर रही है, ग्रोसरी
हम्म।
खरीदने भी जाती है, और आइल्स की पढ़ाई भी कर रही है।
यस
हाँ,
मैम,
देखो
यस
सब कुछ
यस।
कर रही है
यस
ना?
मैम, रियली
हाँ,
आई अप्रिशिएट मैम।
और फिर देखो अभी उसके पास कार भी नहीं है, अभी वॉक करके जाती है, सारा
वो
कुछ।
वो बहुत टफ होता है, लेकिन अभी क्या करें। लेकिन
हाँ,
नजदीक है
टफ
थोड़ा
होता है, पर
जॉब
आपकी
तो।
बॉडी फिट रहती है। आपको
यस
बाद में
मैम।
पता चलेगा ये बातें।
हाँ
यस,
जी।
ये बाद में पता चलेंगी कि आप जब फिट
इंडिया में
रहे।
इतना वॉक वॉक कुछ नहीं होता था, यहाँ आके मतलब इतना फास्ट चल रही हूँ ना, तो अभी
हाँ,
ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि
you
वाह।
don't need to get special time for time out for exercise.
यस,
ठीक है, वो है। ओके, चलो प्लान्स का हो गया। व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट प्लान यू मेड, एलिश?
The latest plan I made to visit a new place with my friends, because nowadays I am busy in my study routine.
अच्छा, अभी आपने
So
बोला nowadays I am a busy, ठीक से बोलो।
nowadays I am busy in my study
हाँ,
routine. So by
हाँ,
this in this way I can rejuvenate myself with my friends.
हाँ। What is the hardest part about making plans?
I think the hardest part of making a plan is to follow on time, because sometimes people make a plan but not follow on proper timing,
हाँ,
so
so
they will
जो
face
भी
problem.
जिस प्लान में आप देखो, the hardest plan part about making a plan is to make a plan in which other people are also involved. You know, then sometimes things go out of your hand. When there is any plan जो आपने करना है, when there is any plan you make which you have to fulfill, you will try to do your best and fulfill it on time. But when you make a plan in which other people are involved, then sometimes things go out of hand and the plan does not go as planned. Okay, like that you can say. Okay, that is the hardest part. Okay, uh, who will answer the next set?
Ma'am, can I go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Kinjal. What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Navratri. So, being a Gujarati, Navratri has been the most popular festival, and I am very much waiting for that festival to come around. So,
Okay.
the best part of the
I came to Gujarat in October last year. October. Navratri चल रही थी.
Which city?
Okay, which city you came to?
I came to Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar.
Okay.
Stayed in Adalaj.
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 Yeah. Navratri is
Yes.
beautiful in Ahmedabad as well. It's celebrated
Yes.
like in a nice way.
And we visited the Statue of Unity, and also
Okay.
the Run of Kutch. And
So you had a Gujarat tour.
yes.
Yeah.
And we had there's a girl, we've made her our daughter. She hosted us our stay, and we really enjoyed with her a lot.
Have you tasted Gujarati food? Like,
Yes, we've tasted Gujarati food, and we stayed in someone's house. There we had Gujarati food, and whenever we ate out, we prefer to have Gujarati only, so that we taste something different.
yes.
Yes, and like the food, very nice. And
That's great, ma'am. Do come. I mean, once this
yes,
Corona thing is over.
yeah, over हो जाएगी फिर आएंगे. अभी तो we went to Rajkot also, and many places. We visited. It was a like tourist tour, like that entertainment tour. We visited many places. We saw a beach also there.
Mandvi, I think in
Yes,
Kutch.
yes.
Mandvi, yes,
Mandvi
Kutch.
Beach. Yes. And we saw so many
That's a nice
windmills.
Yeah,
Yes.
around
Okha,
Kutch,
I
Okha.
think.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So Navratri and all the people where whichever house we go, where are the girls? वो गरबा खेलने गए हैं. गरबा खेलने बोलते हैं.
Yes.
हाँ, खेलने बोलते हैं.
Yeah,
It's
खेलने
like to
बोलते
play
हैं.
garba, like that.
Yeah, play गरबा.
play गरबा. So
और मैम रात को 2 बजे भी मतलब किसी को ऐसी टेंशन नहीं होती कि क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं, मतलब सब ऐसे ही स्कूटी पे जाते
Yeah, the
हैं.
atmosphere is such,
2-3
no, that it's all safe and everyone is out, so there's no issue with that.
Yes.
आपने नरेंद्र मोदी की स्पीच सुनी होगी, उसमें उसने बोला भी था कि आप कभी गुजरात में आइएगा और आप देखिएगा कि लड़कियां कैसे 2 बजे अकेले भी घूम सकती है.
हाँ. Okay. How do you celebrate this festival, Kinjal?
So in this festival, we celebrate it by performing a popular dance form which is known as Garba. Garba has been it is originated from a Sanskrit word, Garba, which means the womb, and this dance form is played as a devotion to goddess Amma. This is how we play it, and it is usually performed in a circular form where a lot of people come together and celebrate this festival.
Okay. What is the most popular Indian festival?
The most popular, I think the most popular Indian festival is Diwali. Since in India, everyone usually celebrates this festival, and it is celebrated by lighting diyas at their own homes, and basically it's a festival of lights and joy. So everyone celebrates it in a different manner, but it is the most popular one.
Okay. Do you like Western festivals?
I do like Western festivals. For example, nowadays we see that Christmas is such a festival which is not originally celebrated in India, but since we have become very much receptive to other cultures as well, we enjoy celebrating festivals like Christmas, and also there are other days, celebration of various days like Mother's Day, Father's Day. So
Yes,
this
very
all
good.
has become a part of our
Okay.
culture.
So next set also island. Kinjal, there are just 3-4 questions. Island.
Okay.
Have you ever been to an island?
I have not been to an island, but I
अच्छा,
am
ये have you
really.
ever है. देखो, आपने सही नहीं उठाया. ये formats का
I have
फायदा होता है.
never.
No,
Yeah.
I have never. 4
No, I
words.
have never. Yes.
हाँ, हाँ, बोलो.
No,
Have you
I have
ever?
never been to any island, but I
हाँ.
am really fascinated by the whole idea of visiting an island since there will be water surrounding the land. So I wish to go to an island in my near future. But
Are there any islands in your country?
yes, there are islands besides our country, basically. So there is Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is
हाँ.
uh, abutting
आपको
Indian.
इंडिया में कितने आइलैंड्स हैं पता है आपको?
मुंबई भी आइलैंड ही हुई ना?
नहीं, आइलैंड नहीं है मुंबई पर छोटे-छोटे
Island.
आइलैंड्स अराउंड मोर देन 100 हैं. ओके.
But those will
ये
be not
गुजरात
very.
में भी बहुत है वहां पे पास-पास. एक आइलैंड का नाम नोरा है. मेरी पेट का नाम भी नोरा है. That is I know
नोरा.
Nora Island. Okay. So there are many islands in India. मेरे को ये ज्यादा पता है, इतना पता है कि 100 से ऊपर है छोटे-छोटे आइलैंड्स. ठीक है. Do you want to live on an island?
I would love to live on an island, but I'm not sure how long would I will be able to stay there because since the island is usually isolated from the land, so there might be some lack of some facilities which we
There
might
might be
not
some
get.
challenges which people face. Okay.
Yes.
What would you like to do if you go to any island?
I would love to relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery around, and would also like to involve in some water sports or any other activity which I cannot be a part of in my day-to-day life. So I would really like to use that time in a very refreshing way.
Okay. Driving next set है. Okay. Nirali?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you drive often?
No, I didn't. I do not drive because I don't have a valid driver's license over here. So I am preparing for the license exam for the driving license exam over here, and then I can drive
Do you
here.
want to? Do you want your children to drive in future?
Yes. I think I want to. I want to drive my. I
गलत
want
हो
to
गया ना.
make my children
ये
drive the
आप
car.
देखो ये क्वेश्चन भी फॉर्मेट में मैंने डाला है.
Okay.
Okay. So at what age do you wish your children to drive at? I wish to drive at बच्चे बोल देते वो गलत हो जाएगा. आपने भी वही गलती करी है. Do you want your children to drive in the future? Yes, I want my children to drive in the future because driving has become a need, a necessity. Okay.
Yes,
It is very much
necessity.
needed to become independent. Otherwise, you're always waiting for somebody to drive you places. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Do you have a driver's license?
As I earlier mentioned, I just have a learner's driving license over here, so I can drive under the observation of the driver over here, but I don't have the valid driver license. So
At what
I am
age people are allowed to drive in your country?
in my country, people allowed to have a driving license at the 18 year,
At the
which
age of
is the
18. In my
at the
country,
age of
people
18.
are allowed to have. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Do you think it is difficult to drive a car?
I think it's a difficult. it is not a real very difficult to drive a car, because nowadays the modern technology and the technology is changed. So nowadays the automatic car is more preferable, and it's very simple. It's very simple technology. So it's just in beginning, someone has to practice, and then it is very easy to drive a car.
Okay, okay. Okay, next set, Reena. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Do you like to see the sky?
Yes, I like to see the sky every evening. I watch stars and moon in the sky with my daughter. We usually go to our terrace of my house, and we watch stars for few hours,
Few minutes.
few minutes. Yes,
हाँ,
sorry.
hours overdone हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How about stars?
Stars looks really like diamond on a black sheet. I love to watch them, and I studied about stars in my school books.
Stars and
uh,
constellations बोलो. I studied about stars and constellations.
in my
Constellations
school.
होती ना, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor,
Yeah,
Orion,
Orion.
like
Yeah.
that.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
is a good place to see the stars?
I think mountains are the good place to see the stars, as pollution level is very low in that area. Apart from this, from that higher level, star seems very closer to us.
Okay.
High
Do
altitude.
you know something about stars?
I don't know much more about stars, but I have read many articles of many astronauts, and description given by them.
Okay.
Yes, we have a big star in the universe, that is sun, which is very beneficial for us, and
Do you
responsible
prefer
for the.
the sky in the morning or sky at night?
I prefer to watch sky whenever it is cloudy in the during daytime, and usually I prefer to watch sky at the evening time, because it's very easy to watch sky.
Okay. Is there a good place to look at the sky where you live?
Uh, yes, I live in a two-story big house, and whenever we want to watch sky, we usually go at the terrace of my house, and it's very easy to see at stars from there.
Okay. Okay, so we've done quite a few intro sets today, almost 30. I'll be ending the meeting now. I'll see you tomorrow at 10. Okay?
Yes,
With the
Okay,
class
ma'am.
on essays.
Okay,
Yes.
sure, sure, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Bye,
good
ma'am.
day.
और
Bye,
सब
all.
जने मेरा वो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लेना.
Ma'am, how
I
to use that?
अभी अभी मैं उसके बिगनिंग में ही हूँ, पर डाउनलोड करो, अभी उसमें डालना शुरू करूंगी. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
और
Okay.
जो आईफोन यूजर्स हैं उनको क्लास प्लस से जाना पड़ेगा, और TUNDO ये है उसका कोड.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
TUNDO. Okay.
टुंडो, और जो आईफोन वाले हैं, बाकी गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे बाकियों के लिए डाउनलोड हो जाएगी, मक्कड़ एजुकेशन के नाम से. ठीक
Ma'am,
है?
I
Okay.
have downloaded that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
Bye.
everybody. Bye.